Stomatal movement mechanism by Steward theory. The stomatal movements, open closed movements, are explained by Steward. So it is also called Steward theory. According to Steward theory, the stoma will open during the daytime and stoma will close during the night time. How the stoma will open during the daytime, how the stoma will close during the night time is explained by Steward scientist. According to Steward scientist, during the daytime, God cell chloroplast are prepared food by the photosynthesis. The food is called starch. The starch convert into glucose 1-phosphate in presence of phosphorylase enzyme. Starch convert into glucose 1-phosphate in presence of phosphorylase enzyme. Glucose 1-phosphate convert into glucose 6-phosphate in presence of phosphoglucoisomerase. Phosphoglucoisomerase helps in conversion of glucose 1-phosphate into glucose 6-phosphate. The glucose 6-phosphate convert into glucose and 1 inorganic phosphate in presence of phosphatase enzyme. The glucose easily dissolved in the cytoplasm of God cells. So the God cells containing high concentration of glucose, it helps in endoosmosis. Endoosmosis helps in open movement of stomata during the daytime. If the God cells containing high concentration of glucose, then outside of these God cells, subsidiary cells containing low concentration of glucose. So low concentration of liquids moves to high concentration. Low concentration of liquids present in the subsidiary cells, the liquids moves to high concentration. The high concentration present in the God cells. So the God cells become swollen in structure during the daytime. Then automatically stoma will open. During the daytime, photosynthesis continuously involved. It helps in increasing of pH in the God cells. Then during the night time, the glucose convert into glucose 1-phosphate in presence of hexokinase enzyme. The glucose convert into glucose 1-phosphate in presence of hexokinase enzyme. Again, glucose 1-phosphate convert into starch in presence of phosphorylase enzyme. So starch cannot dissolve in the cytoplasm of God cells. So the starch sugar levels are completely decreased in the God cell cytoplasm. It helps in exoosmosis. Exoosmosis means God cells liquids moves to subsidiary cells. Automatically God cells are contracted. Then stoma will close during the night time. During the night time, there is no photosynthesis. So the pH levels are decreased. According to Steward theory, stoma will open during the daytime and stoma will close during the night time.